Hi friends, welcome to Toppers Institute Daily Current Affairs. This is Bhikshapati. So some of the important current affairs, let us discuss about that. That current affairs, particularly June 11, 2020, which came in the newspapers. So the first point is here, Prime Minister Krishi Sanchay Yojana. It is a program launched by the Government of India on July 1, 2015. The purpose of the Prime Minister Krishi Sanchay Yojana is to develop the resources using for the agriculture. So what type of the resources are using to the or utilizing for the development of the agriculture, particularly that irrigation facilities and the fertility of the soil. So like that. So that is the reason here. This program is started in 2015 by Government of India. So recently Government of India also started one of the program. It is related to the Prime Minister Krishi Sanchay Yojana, that is a per drop more crop. So per drop and more crop, it is a enlarged program. This program comes under the PM Krishi Sanchay Yojana. It is a enlarged program of the or associated program of the Prime Minister Krishi Sanchay Yojana. So what is here per drop and more crop? Per drop more crop. That means every drop in agriculture, every drop in irrigation that is utilizing to the development of the crop. That is called here per drop more crop. This is the initiation started by the Government of India. Under which program? This is the associated program started, Prime Minister Krishi Sanchay Yojana. This is the association of that program. Per drop more crop. So Union Agriculture Ministry initiated this program. The present Union Agriculture Minister, the present Union Panchayat Raj Minister, present Union Rural Development Minister is Narendra Singh Tomar. This person that is look after the three ministry. So Narendra Singh Tomar, and for this per drop and more crop purpose, to encourage, to initiate the per drop and more crop purpose, NABARD, so NABARD, NABARD, the Apex Agriculture Organization India, NABARD provide 5,000 rupees to develop encourage the per drop more crop in India. So NABARD. So about NABARD started on 1982 July 12. So on 1982 July 12, NABARD started according to the recommendations of the Shivaraman Committee. The Apex Agriculture Organization India, NABARD. The present chairman of the NABARD is Chintala Govinda Raju. And next point. So TCS Ion. This is the one of the TCS Ion is the one of the organization. It look after by the TCS company. TCS Ion is a digital platform. It provides the online education to the youth, particularly providing the training to the training, particularly the skills development, particularly the technology development. So that is we also call it is a corporate social responsibility initiative. That is a TCS Ion. So TCS Ion, it is a company that comes under the TCS. It is partnered with the MOU or Memorandum of Understanding with the NSDC. For what purpose these two organizations come together? Because to provide the training to the youth, particularly at present in COVID-19 pandemic. So that is lack of the such employment is there in India. That is the reason, particularly technological completed that students provide the training, providing the skills, provide the technological development to the technological courses to the that youth people. That is combined by this NSDC and TCS Ion. So what is NSDC? NSDC is a organization, NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation. The present chairman of the National Skill Development Corporation his name is AM Nayak or Anil Manibhai Nayak. And TCS Ion, it is a associated of the TCS company, Tata Consultancy Services. The present TCS CEO, his name is Rajesh Gopinathan. And TCS is the one of the companies in Tata Sons or Tata Group. The present Tata Group chairman is Nataraja Chandrasekharan. And the third point. So Government of India released one report that Union Forest and Environment Ministry, that is the national lands status. So in 2015, the last land status conducted in 2015. So in 2015, 523 lands are there. Again, this status conducted in 2020. So in India, 674 lands are increased. That means that population, that number of the lands are increased from the 2015 to 2020, 674, approximately 29 percentage. That is exactly means 28.87 percentage. That lands numbers increased from the 2015 to 2020. So everyone knows, my dear friends, that in India, which state or which forest are famous for the lions? So you know that is the Gir forest. Gir forest is famous for the lions. Lions. That is the lions. Gir forest is famous for the lions population. And then the next point is recently that Hyderabad based two organizations. One is the ESIC, that means Employees State Insurance Corporation, and IIT Hyderabad. These two, the organization to these two, the researcher belongs to these two organization, developed a diagnostic test to the that COVID-19. So nowadays, my dear friends, that for the detect the COVID-19, to diagnose the COVID-19, it will take 12 hours to the 24 hours. But the RT lamp, it is a test only 30 minutes to the 1 hour. So 30 to 60 minutes only. That is developed by the type of the diagnostic test developed by the Employees State Insurance Corporation of India, that is located in Hyderabad. And second one is IIT Hyderabad. So what is RT lamp? This is a test, COVID-19 test, diagnostic test. So what is RT lamp? RT means reverse transcript test. LAMP means here loop mediated isothermal application. Loop mediated isothermal application. So this is the one of the very important point about science and technology updates. And the last session of this class today, last point of this session, that is Mercer's, a organization Mercer's every year released that one report, one index, that is the cost of living index. Cost of living index means the parameters of the cost of living, you know, that is housing in the particular city, that food in that particular city, and how the transportation is there, how the clothing is there, how the entertainment field is there. So these parameters, Mercer organization studied the